Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss Science 1 question bank solutions of right or wrong or true or false. Let us start with the first question. Question number 1B, right or wrong sentence. First question is, if the distance between two masses is doubled, the gravitational force between them becomes less than the previous force. We know that F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So if distance is doubled, then the force value will decrease. So the statement is right. Next question. CGS unit of G is 9 centimeters square per G square, where capital G is universal gravitational constant. Is CGS unit is given here, that is right. So the given statement is right. Next question. Value of gravitational acceleration with the center of the earth. Acceleration due to gravity at the center of the earth is 0. It is right. Next question. The value of G is highest at the equator. Answer is wrong. Value of G is highest at the poles. Next is the value of G varies from place to place. Capital G is given. We know that it is universal constant. Its values remain constant throughout the universe. So the statement is wrong. Next question. As it rises above the Earth's surface, its value increases. The statement given is about acceleration due to gravity. We know that as the height increases or altitude increases, G value will decrease. So the statement is wrong. Next question. Speed of release of an object does not depend upon mass of the object. Statement is correct. It is not depending on the mass. Next is mass is a qualitative measure of inertia of an object. That is true. So the statement is right. Next is similarity between properties of first and eighth element is called the octave rule. We know that in Newland's law of octave, first and eighth element shows properties similar. So it is called the octave rule. Statement is right. Next is in Frobenius triad, 3 elements appear to be arranged in the ascending order of their atomic masses. Statement is right. Next, while designing the periodic table, Mendeleev considered chemical and physical properties of the element. Yes, Mendeleev's periodic table is based on the periodic properties of physical and chemical properties. So the statement is right. Next, modern periodic table has 1 to 7 period. Statement is true. 7 periods and 18 groups are there. Next, modern periodic table shows molecular values of the element in each frame. Wrong. Next is P block is composed of 1 and 2. First and second group is known as S block. So the statement is wrong. Next, the left of the serpentine line in the periodic table are metal elements. We know that in the periodic table when zigzag line is there, left of that is metals. Statement is correct. Next, the compound of the element in group 2 is 1. I think they mean valency. The valency of elements in group 2 is 2. So the statement is wrong. Next is nanometer use this unit to measure atom. Atom size is measured by picometer. Statement is wrong. Moving from left to right, atomic size decreases. Statement is right. All the elements in halogen family are gases. Wrong. As we move from top to bottom, it varies. Then next is the element lithium and beryllium are in the same cycle is given. It should come period. Element lithium and beryllium are in the same period because their compounds are similar. Wrong. Next, beryllium and calcium are alkaline metals. It is beryllium and calcium are alkaline metals. It is given soil metals. If it is beryllium and calcium are alkaline metals, statement is right. Next, K and L shell of the elements, sodium and magnesium contains electrons. Yes, both the shell contains the electron. Statement is right. Next question. The number of shells decreases as the calculation goes down from top to bottom. As we move from top to bottom, number of shell is increasing. Statement is wrong. Next, the metal properties of element decrease as the spiral move from left to right. As we move from left to right in a periodic table, metallic property decreases. Statement is right. Next question, it is little confusing. The atom size of an atom depends on number of compound electron. The question what they mean, it is not clear. So that question is left. Next, silicon is a metallic element. Silicon is a non-metal, so the statement is wrong. Next, the properties of metal increases as it goes down the group. It is right. As we move from top to bottom, metallic character increases. Next is electrical negativity is the metallic property of an element. Metallic property, electropositivity. So statement is wrong. If edible oil is kept well for a long time, it will get sour. True. Statement is right. Next, alternating current is vibrating current. Alternating current is what? The oscillating. Statement is right. Electrical wires and neutral wire have a potential difference of 220 volt. Right. Increasing the current passing through the wire decreases the magnetic field intensity. Wrong. If the current increases, magnetic field intensity will also increase. Use galvanometers for electrical measurement. Galvanometer is used for detecting current. Yes. Right. Statement is correct. Frequency of alternating current is 50 hertz. Answer is correct. So the statement is right. Next question. Electrochemical are devices that convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Wrong. We learned that electric motor convert electrical energy to mechanical energy. Statement is wrong. Next, the dew point temperature does not depend upon amount of vapor in the air. It depends on the amount of water vapor present in the air. So statement is wrong. Next is specific heat capacity of water is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. It is right. The invisible heat of evaporation is called the conversion of gas into liquid. Wrong. Next is use calorimeters to study the inconsistent behavior of water. Wrong. Calorimeter is used to study specific heat capacity. Next, during reheating, ice is converted to water at a temperature of 0 degrees Celsius. Right. We know that when ice at 0 degrees Celsius is heating, it will get converted to water at 0 degrees Celsius. Next question is 1 kilogram of dry air at a temperature of 40 degrees Celsius can hold a maximum of 49 gram of water vapor. Correct. At 40 degrees Celsius, air can hold maximum 49 gram of water vapor. Statement is right. Next question. Calorimeters are used to measure specific heat. Right. All metals are same specific heat capacity. Wrong. Different metals are different specific heat capacity. Next is humidity related to dew point temperature is 100%. Relative humidity at dew point temperature is 100%. Statement is right. Next, unit of absolute humidity is kilogram per meter cube. Right. Next, 1 calorie is 4.81 joules. Right. The incident ray and refracted ray are on the opposite sides of the column. We know that incident and refracted ray are on the opposite sides of normal. It is right. Next question. Next question also a little confusing. Purple color has the lowest refractive index. It is given. That question is confusing. So we will not solve that question. Next question is speed of light varies in different media. Yes, the light travels with different velocities in different medium. So our statement is right. Next is convex magnifying glass is called diverging and concave magnifying glass is called converging. It is wrong. Convex glass is called converging and concave is called diverging. So the statement is wrong. Next question also little confusing. Image of object in the human eye is formed on the cross screen. It is formed on the retina should come. Next question is, this defect of vision can be remedied by using endoscopic magnifying glass with proper focal length. If the image is forming in front of retina or behind retina, we are using convex or concave lens to correct it. So the statement is wrong. Next is, if the incident ray is parallel to main axis, then the refracted ray passes through the main navel it is given. So this is confusing. If the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, then the refracted ray should pass us through the optic center. That is the correct statement. Next question is, image of an object at an infinite distance is obtained in a real and smooth form through convex magnifying glass. We know that if the object is at infinity, the image formed is real and inverted should come. So the statement is wrong. Next question is, the power of magnifying glass depends on the distance of magnifying glass. Wrong. Next is, lens of the eye is flattened when looking at nearby object. It is wrong. Next is, for a healthy human eye, the distant point is infinite distance. It is right. Next question is, vision defect increase the distance between the lens of the eye and retina of the eye. They are defect in myopia. If the distance between the lens and retina increases, image will form in front of retina. That defect is called the myopia. So the statement is right. Next question is, the virtual shape of the object seen by eye depends on the angle held by the object with the eye. Yes, the apparent size of the object depends upon the angle. Statement is right. Electrolysis is used to obtain pure metal from impure metal. Right. Next, ionic compounds are soluble in kerosene. Wrong. Ionic compounds are soluble in water. Stable ionic compounds conduct electricity. Mobile ion should be mobile. That means ion should move in the solution, then only it can conduct electricity. So statement is wrong. Mercury, silver, gold are highly reactive metals. We know that they are least reactive. So statement is wrong. Next question also little confusing. In the electrolytic method, a layer of highly active metal is applied to less active metal. Next is, in the electrolytic dissipation method of alumina, lining of graphite acts as anode. Wrong. Lining of graphite on the steel tank acts as a cathode. Next question is, the electrolysis of alumina combines fluorspar and cryolite to increase the solubility of precipitation method. We add fluorspar and cryolite in the electrolysis of alumina to decrease the melting point. So the statement is wrong. Next, calcitrite is a copper metal. Wrong. Diamond is the hard substance. Right. Gold and silver are active metals. They are not active. They are less active metals. So statement is wrong. Next question is, halogen react with acid. Right. 17th group elements. They react with the acid. Right. Bauxite react with the sodium hydroxide in Bayes process. Statement is right. The number of electrons in the valence shell of carbon atom is 4. Right. Carbon atomic number is 6. So electronic configuration is 2, 4. So number of electrons in the outermost shell is 4. So its valence is 4. Statement is right. Next, your body is made up of carbon. Right. It is right. Carbon compounds contain only free chains of carbon atom. Wrong. Next is, 2 carbon atoms can always form 1 or 2 covalent bonds. Wrong. Next question is, carbon atom is a valence, it is tetravalent. So it can make bonds with 4 carbon atoms or 4 other atoms. Next is, in general, saturated compounds are more reactive than unsaturated compounds. Wrong. Benzene is coated unsaturated hydrocarbon. Yes, benzene is alternate. Benzene contains alternate single and double bond. If double bond is there, it is an unsaturated compound. So the statement is right. Next question, cyclohexane is a branch chain type of hydrocarbon. Cyclohexane, answer is wrong. It is a cyclic compound. Next is, as one ascend any homologous category, physical properties change in one direction. Statement is right. Next question also little confusing. There are different common molecules for all members of homologous range. Homologous range, we know that they differ by one CH2 group. Next question is LPG butane is a flammable element, right? Next question. Substance that can give oxygen to other substance are called a particulate matter. Wrong. They are called oxidizing agent. Next is potassium permanganate is an oxidizing compound in regular use, right? Potassium permanganate is an oxidizing agent. Next question is colorless ethanol is in liquid state at room temperature. Colorless ethanol is in liquid state at room temperature. Statement is right. Next question. Ester is a sweet smelling dish, right? It has pleasant odor. Next question is the speed of liberation on the moon is less than speed of liberation on the earth, right? India is the first country to discover the existence of water on the moon. Answer is right. Last one is the function of a satellite launcher is based on Newton's second law of motion. Wrong. It is based on Newton's third law of motion. This much only about the true or false or right or wrong. I hope you all understood this section. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also share with your friends and classmates.